I never expected to be here when, like, some 10 years ago. So it's interesting. Steve Jobs says, connected to dots. You guys have all heard that quote, right? You don't know what's going to happen until much later. You look back. There's different points in your life that's important. And so 10 years ago, I went to my first PyCon. And then we had so much fun. And a year later, I gave a lightning talk, and I was shaking. Oh my God, like, this is crazy, but this is such a great energy. The people are so cool. I want to come back. And then I got my company to sponsor the PyCon and send engineers over, and they're having so much fun. And then the hiring manager, the VP of engineering, says, why is it that the plane ticket and the hotel cost is more expensive than the conference tickets? What are we going to do about it? I'm like, I don't know. Anyway, so from the first PyCon to now, I'm just so thrilled that we are able to start having a regional Python conference right here in San Francisco Bay Area, so that majority of the people that live here can just come to a really nice, high-quality professional conference at a fraction of the cost. So thank you so much for supporting us all these years to make all these happen. Yeah. And one of the key things that I learned as a, just regular person just throwing up a conference is that there's so many things that's involved, and it feels very much like a startup building a conference from scratch. All the budgeting and so forth, where the money comes from, are the people going to come? And I really wanted to just recognize a bunch of sponsors that are here. The reality is living in San Francisco is pretty expensive. When we wanted to build a high-grade professional conference in San Francisco, knowing that more than 200-300 people are going to show up, there's a lot of space constraints and other things that get us into the, not the major league, it's like the minor league going into. And really, without the sponsors, we wouldn't be able to have this conference. And so I wanted to let you know that the sponsors are most of the sponsors are going to be here today only. And they are, all of them are hiring, so please go and talk to them and show them your love and welcome. And so that would hopefully continue to help us finance and raise more money in the future to be able to continue to have this conference. And one of the company that I really wanted to recognize is Bloomberg. Bloomberg, interestingly enough, give us money. And they're like, we don't even need to have a table. And so if you do see people like walking around with the Bloomberg shirts, please do go up there and thank them a lot. Another company that I really want to thank a lot is Cisco. They came through as our only gold sponsors and helped us through with enough funding in order for us to be able to get this entire conference taped. So therefore, if you choose to not attend the talks and just really socialize with the people, you can. And for me, it really is the things that's happening in the hallway that really makes a conference interesting. If it's not for the connections that I made in the first PyCon that I attended and subsequent, there's no way we would be able to have this. So I just wanted to encourage you to take a look at that. And do you think you're ready?
Yeah.
Cool. And Raymond, I think I met him at the first PyCon, or second PyCon that I went to, and we've become friends. And I'm just so thrilled that we're able to have you back again. So most people know Raymond already, so he shouldn't need any introductions. And let's just get the show on the road. Thank you.
Hello, everybody.